At LFAB, we understand how important the work you do is to the lives of your customers. We know the life-changing and life-saving effects it can have. And we know that you never compromise with the work you do. So don't compromise on the tools you use to protect your processes and equipment. Our passion for progress and innovation matches yours. That's why we designed and developed Pure Gard. Pure Gard is an innovative pressure safety solution. It is unique in its robust, one-piece design, meeting industry expectations for cleanability. Our focus on supporting you in overcoming your challenges has resulted in a disc that increases your process efficiency and maximizes your output without compromise. The single-piece design gives Pure Gard the advantage of structural stability and also easy to install. Rigorous testing and an extended product life means you can be confident that you've made the right investment for the long term. Your customers trust in your solutions to save their lives. That's why we deliver technology you can trust.